Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually earn at least 2,000 naira to 5,000 naira for free online with your smartphone on this platform you are seeing here on your screen. All you need to do is to calm down, watch this video and listen to me very attentively. At the end of this video, you are going to gain value. You are going to learn how you can make money online with your smartphone for free with zero investment. Okay, but before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what and Done Day channel is all about business. I share money making updates online every day. So all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every day with updates on money making, so that you'll be cashing out with your smartphone. Then at the end of this video, I am not going to be leaving the registration link in the comment section. What I'm going to be leaving in the comment section is our WhatsApp group link. So you join our WhatsApp group link. It is only when you join our WhatsApp group link that is when you can actually get access to this platform. Okay, and if you're already in my WhatsApp group, no need, because you will get access for the link you have already been posted on our WhatsApp group. So for those of you who are not in our WhatsApp group, make sure you join our WhatsApp group. And if you're in my WhatsApp group before, please do not join, because whatever I post on group 1 is what I post on group 2. The reason you cannot see the registration link in this platform is because of YouTube community guideline. We are making sure that the community is safe for everyone. So for you to always get access to any of my updates, make sure you are in my WhatsApp group or you are in my Telegram group. It is only when you are there that is when you will always get access to registration link of any platform we post at all. Okay, so take note of that and make sure you subscribe, because it is on YouTube we share the tutorial videos on how you can get started and everything, but the registration link is always found in our groups. Take note. Okay, so the name of this platform is Bounty News. In this video, I'll be telling you how Bounty News work, how you make money on Bounty News, how you also withdraw money on Bounty News. It is very, very simple. Something you just read news to make money. All you need to do is to read news and then you make money. What you are earning is coin, and those coins you are earning will be actually converted to naira for you. As simple as that. So when you register, the first thing you need to do is to click on sign in. So when you click on sign in, the network of this platform can be misbehaving sometimes, so you just have to be patient. Okay, trying to reload the page. So you click on sign in now. Every day you click on sign in, you click on the 1, you get 15 coins, the 2 you get 30 coins, the 3 you get 30 coins, 75 coins, 30 coins, 30 coins, 90 coins. So you click on sign in now. So when you click on, you can see I've received my own 15 coins here. So these coins you are receiving will be converted to naira for you, and then it can be actually withdrawn as naira. Then in this video, I'm also going to be showing you guys payment proof. Okay, I'll be showing you guys payment proof in this video. So that is it, guys. Then how do you add up your account, or how do you withdraw? It's very simple. Before I show you guys, I will show you guys how to read news and make money. Come to home. When you come to home, that is where you can actually see the news you will read. So you can see news here. You can read as many news as possible. When you read, you like. So that is it, guys. When you read the news, you also like the news you read. So you can see the news here. So when you are reading it, it will be the time will be counting for you. The time will be counting for you. Finish reading in the next 25 seconds. So when you are done reading, you also click on the the top button here to like the news you are reading. So when you finish, when this time finish counting, then you can actually go back to claim the reward. So I will show you how to claim the reward. As you know, I was having 15 coins already, and then I'm going to show you guys how you are going to accumulate more coins. These coins is whenever you are reading this news. You can read 50 news every day. You can read 100 news every day. All you need to do is to read news, and then you'll be making money for yourself. So I'm done reading this news now. So click on task. Click on task. So you can see this place here. Let me see. This thing is network is kind of bad. So you can see, you will see the news you read. Or is in this place we come to read. See this place now. Please take note. It is when you read, you earn money. When you don't read news, you are not going to earn money. The reason why this site is kind of misbehaving is because of, it's like they don't allow screen record. So that's why it's misbehaving like this. But I'll be explaining everything you need to do. So when you read news, it is here you come to accumulate it. So anyone you finish reading here, you are going to get 15 coin. You read another one, you get 15 coin. You read another one, you get 30 coin, 75 coin, 75 coin. So that's why you click on read now. And then if you also want to invite your friends, you can come to this place here copy your link here to invite friends and family. So this is the link you are going to see in our WhatsApp group. If you are in our WhatsApp group, that's the link you are going to see there. But if you are not in our WhatsApp group, it means you are not going to receive this link and you are not going to join us to make money on this platform. So make sure you are in our WhatsApp group and join us on our WhatsApp group so you can get the link to start any money. Okay, so each coin you earn have their own money. Take a look at your screen. You can see the payment proof. That's the payment proof you are seeing. And this kind of platform you are seeing here, they don't intend to last for long. So that's the reason why as soon as you receive update like this, you do everything possible within your power to start making money. And also don't keep the update to yourself. You can invite friends and family to join the update so that we all can be making money. This platform is 100% legit and currently paying as time as I was making this video. Like I said, no investment required. How do you withdraw? Let's go back. So to withdraw, you can see this option here, setup. Click on setup. So when you click on setup, click on receiving account. When you click on receiving account, you enter the name in your bank account, enter your phone number, you enter your beneficiary number here, you choose your bank here, you enter your email, you enter your password, you confirm your password. That's your password you are going to be using to place your withdrawal. So once you are done being put through those things, you come to this place here, you can see withdrawal. Like I said, no investment required, because when you come to this platform, you will see there is no even option to deposit. You only have the withdrawal option, and that is what makes this platform 100% legit and paying. However, they can pay for a while and stop. We don't know their pocket. That's why whenever you receive update that is free, you try your possible best to cash out. Even if it is 5,000, 2,000, you cash out before the platform stop paying. It is something for you. Then we'll also look for another one. So click on withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal, you select the bank account you have added already, or you can still add it here, and then you now request for your withdrawal. You can see amount you can withdraw here. You can see the minimum amount you can withdraw here. So you place the amount, then place your withdrawal. As simple as ABCD. Like I said, what do you do to earn money on this platform? You earn money by reading news. Click on task. When you click on task, click on read now. It's going to take you, when you are reading the news, you will see the duration of that news. You read the news for 30 seconds. Then when you are done reading the news, you come to this place to be showing you available. You click on available to claim it. You come to this place to show another available. It will click on available. So when it shows available, it means you have successfully completed reading the news. So that is how you make money on Bounty News. The name of this platform is Bounty News. It is a platform where you read news and earn money for yourself. That is the end of this video. If you have another question, the comment section is widely open for you. And then if you have interest in joining this platform, you can join our WhatsApp group. It is only in a WhatsApp group you can have access to this platform. If you are not in a WhatsApp group, it simply means that you are not going to be among those who are going to cash out in this on this update. But if you are in my WhatsApp group, you are going to be among those who is going to cash out on this update. Thank you. God bless you as you share this video, watch this video, share this video, and then don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, because we share updates like this every day on this channel. Thank you. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss.